Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Kraken in 2025. We're not going to waste any time with this one. Let's just get straight into the video. So the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. You just go on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and password. And once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the account setting page by clicking on the accounts tab. Once you have that opened up, you want to click on the security tab to access the two-factor authentication settings. And once you're there, click on the enable two-factor authentication button to start the two-factor authentication process. And here you can choose to download the Google Authenticator app on your device and just scan the QR code displayed on Kraken's website using the Google Authenticator app. And then just enter the two-factor authentication code that's generated by the Google Authenticator app to complete the two-factor setup process. And once that's done, you just want to click on the enable two-factor authentication button to enable the two-factor authentication on your Kraken account. That's pretty much it on how to enable two-factor authentication on Kraken in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys